Hello guys, today in this guide we'll discuss about Contact Form 7 mailing settings. Without wasting time, let's start. Well, you need to install Contact Form 7 from the WordPress repository and create a shortcode and include it in your site. But sometimes problem occur in Contact Form 7 list and you're not receiving the email from your site. So to explore that problem, watch this complete tutorial. As you can see that this is the normal Contact Form 7 mailing setting. Try these steps. In two text box, you need to write your own email address. I write this email. So in case any person want to contact your site, form will be received by this email person. Let's go to the second option. This is the default your name tag. You need to write this one and further this domain email. Keep in mind that this is the correct option recommended by Contact Form 7. WordPress@yourdomain.com. Let's go to another step. Your subject tag. Write your subject tag to receive a subject from sender side. This is additional header section. This is the default setting that we create a form. So let's explore the last option, message body. As you can see that from your email, name your name, subject, message body, your message. These are the dynamic options that a person want to contact the owner of the website. And your email will be showing. And a name, the sender name, and a subject, the sender subject will be showing in your email. In this message body, a sender type a message, you will receive all the text in the email to this tag in your email. These are the simple steps. Follow these steps. If you have any problem, visit this article in which I write all the configuration related to Contact Form 7. Thanks for watching.